Booking profits is a good thing. It helps crystallize the gains accumulated on the positions or investments. But when should one book profits? When our investments are made in a disciplined approach, there is always a target rate of return that one is looking at. If the target rate of return is attained or reached, then it is advisable to book profits. But before actually booking profits, it's prudent to review objectively as to whether the upside for the market or the instrument is still intact and what would be the potential upside from the current levels or the probable downside. One may either book profits or revise upwards the target rate of return after such an evaluation. The complementary strategy to a revised target can be something which in trading terminology is a trailing stop loss. It entails letting the winning bets run its course till the time they show some fatigue by way of targeted correction. In the absence of target rate of return, a second approach to profit booking can be realignment of asset class weights in line with the risk profile. If a certain asset class gains in value and skews the weightages, it can be used as an indicator to book profits and rebalance the portfolio. The third scenario in profit booking is when one runs tactical positions. In tactical positions, the investments are short-term or medium-term in nature, intended to capitalize on a specific limited opportunity in the market. This opportunity plays itself out over the immediate term as the markets attain certain predetermined levels. Once profits are booked, the sales proceeds may be parked in very short-term debt so that funds will continue to earn something till one identifies other lucrative long-term investment opportunities.